Okay, good day. My name is Stu Sutton. I'm the founder of Full Circle TMS. With me today is Derek Comartin, our Director of Engineering. Full Circle TMS is a SaaS-based transportation management system for the hotshot, expedite, and truckload markets, fully API-based. I'm a serial entrepreneur. This is the third time I've designed and built a TMS. In '95, I built a client-server version. In 2001, I built a SaaS-based version, which I sold to Qualcomm. And in 2015, I started this one, which is self-funded and bootstrapped. There's 5 major components to this technology. First is a fully functional enterprise mission-critical level TMS with order entry, dispatch, billing, payroll, the whole gamut. It's also got a built-in network of brokers and carriers. Anyone using the software can broker back and forth to one another. We'll show that today with bid board, load board, and seamless brokering. Third is a tightly integrated mobile app, which we'll demonstrate today. There's also external integrations to ELD, fleet cards, accounting, etc. The most exciting part, of course, is the white label portion where we can white label our technology and port it around the world. So I'm going to do a demo now. In this demo, we set up a lot of stuff. Actually, Derek is a broker, and he's posted a load out onto the load board, which I've bid on. So you can't see Derek's screen. I'm actually going to sign on as Derek. And here's the load that I bid, and he's going to award that to me. So he right-clicks, says award that load to me, and basically it's dispatching that load to me from his system to my system. So now I'm going to jump into my system, which is the carrier. I'm in the carrier, I refresh my order screen, and there's the order that came in, fully functional, ready to go. I don't have to do anything other than say, set it ready to go. And now I go into the order. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually send Derek a rate confirmation. And the reason I'm doing this is just to demonstrate that he can e-sign this and send it back to me. But normally, because we've already done the bid load process, the contract's already in place. So now he's got an email where he can electronically sign it and send it back to me. This order came in with all that pickup, delivery, special instructions, which I'm just going to send out to the driver by clicking dispatch, which I first have to pick the truck that it's going to be dispatched on. And double-click to open up that truck information and dispatch to that truck. And it gives me the deadhead distances and tolls, loaded distance and total distance tolls for the trip. Tells me that I'm going to be out of time with my ELD. And I'm going to give the driver 15 minutes to tell me he's got the information, he's on his way. So now it's dispatched out to the vehicle. And I'm now going to the mobile app and open up the mobile app. And the load is going to pop up. So there's my order. And the first thing as a driver I will do is accept the order to let dispatch know that I got it. And if I don't do that within 15 minutes, dispatch gets notified and times out. Second thing, I see where I'm going to get paid on this order. And I also see that I've got my advance. So this is all automated. This driver gets 30% of an advance once he's dispatched. So I click on the advance and then go say, get the advance. And what it does is it grabs the money, puts it on my EFS card, and creates a deduction in the deduction record, so my next payroll, that's already taken care of. So within seconds, the driver now has his money, so he can go get his fuel for an advance or whatever he needs it for. There's 2 other milestones for advances. When the driver empties, he can get a second advance, and the third advance is when the paperwork's checked in, and so you could actually pay your driver completely using this process. Now I'm going to do an arrival at the pickup, and it gives me all my dates and times, pieces of weight. There's all the special instructions in red that came from Derek's system to my system out to the truck without me having to do a thing. And I'm going to click arrive, and it's going to say, by the way, you're supposed to be in Indiana, you're down in Texas, you're 800 miles away, are you sure you're there? Well, I'm going to arrive anyway, which is going to send off all bells and whistles back to dispatch. And before I go back to my, and by the way, what's happened is it's updated my system, updated Derek's system, and Derek has got customers getting notifications by email and text message. So my phone just got a text message because it's set up as one of his customers. So he set me up to get a text message. So I'm going to now do a freight picture here to show the truck is, the freight is sitting on the truck. I'll do a freight picture, and I'll just take a picture of the audience. Smile, everybody, and you're going to be on the, and then we'll use that photo. And you've seen enough of this today. You'll see a lot of it today where people will take pictures or images of documents or whatever and send it into dispatch. So, you know, we fully integrate with that kind of technology. What I'm going to do is go online and do the load and arrive, because it's a little quicker to do it online than on the mobile app. We don't have a lot of time. I'm going to do load and next event. It's going to update my system, update Derek's, and then send emails and text messages out to his customers. And I'll do the arrive at the consignee. Same thing. My phone's going off here. All my tech is buzzing because I'm getting emails now. And so I've arrived. Oh, I don't want to do the empty event there. I want to go down and do the empty event now on the mobile app. So if you can go to the mobile app for me, pull that up. So I'm going to refresh this, get my latest information on my mobile app. I'll go to the mobile app. I want to do the empty here. Again, it says special notes, delivered to convention booth number 8. That's our booth. See Derek and Stu. And I'll go delivered. And I'll go proof of delivery, and I'll type my name in, Stu, and then I'll sign for it. And you'll see a lot of this today. Signature capture is quite common in the world now. And do that, confirm delivery. And what that's going to do is empty this load out. And at this point, I would be able to get my second advance if I wanted. And now what I'm going to do is go into the audit of this order, because now it's emptied out. And it would have emptied out and his as well. And in the audit, I want to take a look at all the scans that came in, and I see that I've got a bunch of scans ready to go. So here's the bill lading that was just finished by the driver with the signature capture. When I look at that, I can see the signature and the capture, so it's already done. And I'll just tag that to go on the invoice, and then I will go in and look at the invoice online. So within a matter of a few seconds of the trip being done, I've got the invoice that I could send to him, the rate confirmation that he signed, so there's his rate confirmation, there's the freight picture of everybody smiling in here, and there's the bill lading document, so it's all ready to go. Now again, because we have electronic confirmation here, I'm gonna pay by e-pay, but I could have actually sent that invoice out to him. So I wanted to give you a quick overview of how this whole thing works. TMS, built-in network, tightly integrated mobile app, external integration, white label, so we're actually working with companies in Africa and Europe to take this technology worldwide, and they're basically going to take this technology and resell it. All of this stuff can be integrated to blockchain, so the natural touch points of all those transactions you saw can be integrated to blockchain. Thanks very much. Booth number 8, Stu, Derek. Thanks.